Hi friends, in the last video I explained how vertical turbine is installed. In this video I am going to explain in the blast furnace how lower valve cylinder will be changed. So let's go over on to video. First of all, we have to arrest cylinder and counter it. It should not move up and down. Then only we can able to change cylinder. It can be arrested with the help of angle or channel. The cylinder is connected with valve with the help of duplex chain. The cylinder has a parameters like bore die of 300 mm, shaft die of 75 mm, a stroke length of about 1.1 meter, and counter weight is approximately 1 ton. And cylinder can be operated with the help of air pressure of around 5 kg per centimeter square. It can be arrested both sides so that it cannot move up and down with proper welding, and proper safety device should be used. Safety belt should be used. It should be welded properly. And again we have to cut cylinder arrested plate so that cylinder can be removed easily. It can be cut with the help of cutting set. One side is cut. Cutting in both sides is over. No plate can be removed. Okay, plate removed successfully. The old cylinder is connected with eyepiece pin. Pin is locked by a forking rod because while running it should not come out. Now that pin can be removed by cutting. It should be closed with the help of cutting set and removed. Now the connected air hoses for cylinder may be dismantled. Both inlet and outlet hose should be removed. They can be removed with the help of spanners. At that time air should be in off condition. Okay, one baseboard can be removed by using spanner. Baseboards can be removed by using spanners. Some boards may be tight, so they can be removed by using pipe. Now cylinder should be tightened with belt and lifted by using 6-ton crane. Area may be congested, but it should be taken care. Base should be cleared so that new cylinder can be fixed easily and properly. It can be taken to the top platform. It should be taken to the top platform. Gratings may be cut at required size and should be kept properly with safe procedure. Oh, it should be moving down. After old cylinder kept down, the brand new cylinder may be lifted with the same crane with the help of belt. Oh, its eyepiece is already connected. Some unwanted material has came and it can be removed. It is taken to the top and properly placed. It is the brand new cylinder. be tightened at the top so that it can be made down easily by using crane. Belt is tightened properly. Check whether it is tightened or not. Okay, it is tightened successfully. Now it can be lifted. Cylinder is positioned at the opening. Now cylinder can be lowered for fixing. It is the congested area. But no problem. Okay, it is moving easily. Its head width is somewhat more. It should be lowered with help of crane. It is lowering properly. After lowering, its baseboard should be cleared and placed. It should be lowered. Position it properly. The air hose connection is easy. It should be placed such that air hose made properly connected. It's getting down. Match hole and bolt. Some mismatching is there. Match it properly. It is sitting properly. Okay, it's seated well. Baseboard spanners, and it should be fixed with the help of washer so that bolts cannot be removed easily out while running. Tighten with help of spanners. All bolts are fixed successfully and tightening is going on. X nipple is fixed properly so that air hose can be connected for it. X nipple of size 3/4 inch. Top dummy is removed. There also X nipple can be fixed. Counterweight eye is in higher position, which can be moved. Cylinder shaft is moved up. Now its pin is fixed. Pin can be fixed by greasing so that it can move easily inside. Before that it is positioned properly. Also greasing. Greasing is must assured. Pin is also greased. Match the holes. Hammer to go inside. Some mismatch may occur, but should be taken care. That's fitted successfully. Okay, good. Belt can be removed. Can be disengaged. Cylinder changing is done successfully.